Hi, I'm Abdi Prianto, and I'm one of Seacrest researchers who have developed Reef. Reef is a software tool that predicts the future of coral reef cover under different scenarios. This video shows you how to use Reef to help you make more informed decisions about reef management.
Reef React has three main components: parent nodes, child nodes, and effect links. The parent nodes affect the conditions of the coral reef in the future. For example, the initial coral cover or a climate change scenario. The child nodes are the outputs of the model that show the probability of a certain state of coral cover. To start using Reef React, download the free Netica software. Once installed, open Netica and click on File, New, Network to create a new network and save it. Then you can start to create individual parent nodes. Click on the yellow circle icon to create a new parent node. Click on the node to select Properties and rename it Grazing. Then add the new states of high with the number 3, then medium 2, and low 1. Click Apply to create the new grazing node. Continue to create all the 8 parent nodes for Reef React as described in the Reef React user guide. See the video notes for links to the guide. In the same way, you can create the child nodes. Create the Coral Cover Year 10 node, change the name to CC10 and the title to Coral Cover Year 10. Select Continuous, change the interval to between 0 and 85, select Discretization, then add additional intervals of 10, 25, and 50. Click Apply to create the Coral Cover Year 10 child node. Repeat to create the remaining 3 child nodes for Coral Cover Years 20, 30, and 34. To create the linkages between the nodes, click on the arrow icon and draw an arrow from each parent node to each child node. Create the network by clicking on the yellow lightning strike icon. Next, you can import some sample data, which you can download from the Seacrest website. To import it into Netica, click on Cases, Learn, Incorp Case File, select the file and click Open. Then click OK when the next window appears. The figures across the network will now update. In this example, in the Coral Cover Year 10 node, the highest probability is 31.5% for the Category 25 to 50% coral reef cover. New data or different scenarios can be included at any time. For example, if you would like to reduce COTS outbreaks and sediment exposure, you can change the COTS category 0 to 100% by simply dragging the bar to 100%, and similarly adjusting the sediment exposure category. The probability for the different coral covers now recalculates. This new scenario shows there is a higher probability, 64.4%, that there will be 50 to 85% coral cover in 10 years' time. Any parent node can be adjusted to accommodate different scenarios to help determine the impact of the stressors on coral reef cover in the future.
Thanks for watching our introduction to Reef. You can find more information and links in the video notes, and you can download the Reef user guides on the Seacrest website. I hope you find Reef proves to be a useful resource.